Hello, this is your gentle farmer, Edu Abibio. Thanks for following, sharing, and commenting on my videos. Medamase, mo share my video, mo comment, and mo like my video, and mo follow me in medamase. And then I'm a person me can about aduane and more, especially broilers, layers, and mua bia onye ofie bia no se na ahwe no dia ohunu wo ohun se me ye moringa tomato feed no anasema ye me feed no mintimi feed wom because cost of feeding no ekosoro especially Ghana ha no aduane ne ne mamoa no ne boedin intimi make sure say nyama nkete moringa ena mne afra aduane na mai ebro ebro concentrate fish meal ni sa nyama no odi ni nyina afra again once me na ade tuntum mi so afra eno so ay bibi te say probiotic and as any probiotic kra na be use kra something to boost something like a booster ebe mo medidi kama owia na de afra aduane no amon o say ye de afra kama. So we are mixing it very well. So if you buy feed, don't depend solely on just the feed, because you want to do organic farming, not just organic farming, but you have to feed your animals right. So you see the evidence of what I'm feeding the animals with. So you have to make sure you feed them well. Your medication you give them, how you give the medication, they are all very important. So you mix the moringa with your feed. So when you mix the moringa with your feed, you get a proper feed intake from them. Omudi eduane ne kama. Eduane no mudi ne kama. Tis omudi eduane ne kama. Exactly within 6 weeks to 8 weeks no. Utimi ton. Within 6 to 8 weeks utimi ton because omuye du kama. And apart from that, enya no nko so won koko ofie anyway main depend say akoko be di ebru anyway no. Mesrew, know how to feed your animals right and don't depend solely on food feed. Pe bibi fafra me da say like my video, comment